shit, what is that? Oh shit, okay. Sinky the dinger. Ow. Dumbass. Well, hello guys. I'm on an adventure to an old spot where no one really fishes. Rarely. I already walked through a marsh and got water in my boots and it smells like shit. But yeah, we're gonna try to catch some big fish. Some big boys. We've caught some decent fish down here before, but I'm gonna say it was probably about 7 years ago. And I have not been here since, maybe even longer. Some carp, some kitties, and I'm out of shape. I hope I don't walk off the cliff. So pretty still. Yeah, this is a good spot. Oh yeah, it's a legit, ooh, there's a little pile of dirty dirt up in there. Can I go down here? Looks like I can. Sketchy balls. I'm gonna eat shit. I'm gonna eat shit. I don't want to eat shit. I think I'm gonna, or get attacked by a beaver or some shit. I'm alive. This has changed a bit. Been ages. Look, a car and a frog. Looks like an inline motor. I gotta get over there. Oh boy. Hey, this is gonna suck. Could probably go up that way. But isn't this badass? It cuts deep. So, yeah. Ooh, I just found a critter skull. Ooh, what is it? Turtle beaver? I don't know. Oh, okay, I'm definitely gonna be walking at least a mile. Can I walk along the shore? Oh, that did not feel good. Dude, that's how I get killed, bro. Little turtles. Should have brought a machete. And not all this shit. Duh. No. Oh shit, falling. Okay, this is why it's a secret spot. Ouch. I need a break already. I'm getting too old for this shit. BRB. Okay, had a mini breather. So this, if you can see it right here, used to be like way back. So yeah, but this ledge is still here. It's just kind of like a sharp clay drop. And yeah, hopefully we don't get rain while I'm down here because I'm definitely gonna be dead. But it'd be a cool spot to die, I guess. Not really, but yeah. Got like 100 pounds, not really, like 50 pounds maybe, worth of crap. That's probably not a good idea, actually. I can't grab my pole. Should just get a kayak and come down here. Yeah, this is sketchy. Actually, we're already back. Bro, this is gonna suck. I might just go back this direction. Adventure. The dinger. Ow. Dumbass. Oh. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Ow. Just got stabbed in the butt. Hello, geese. Ow. Someone needs to come down here and mow this. I might be able to get up over here. Okay, so I think I might just lay these right here along with my bag, all this, and hopefully I can grab it when I get down there. And I'm gonna go back down where I was. I'm gonna take a pole holder and yeah, use it to walk along the edge. This is some dumb, sketchy shit. Boop, boop. I need an axe. I can see some deer walk through here. Oh yeah, Daddy made it. Damn, I might be camping down here. I soaked balls. Hopefully it's worth it. Looks like a nice little spot right there. Definitely don't want to be spending the night down here though, because it's supposed to rain bad in storm. So yeah, come here, Mr. Cooler. Oh wait, I can actually step on this. So smart, Dylan. Oh, except for right there. You think I can find a dinosaur? I'll find one. Don't you count me out here. Oh, this is gonna suck. This is heavy. Might be easier swimming back. I do kind of regret this now. This sucks. Gonna get all loaded back up. Oops, scoobity boobity. We're back. It's a little easier to walk on. Just hope I can find a good spot. And a dinosaur. This looks pretty washed and sketchy. But I think over there should be fairly safe because it looks like it all fell. We're rolling. Probably shallow, it looks like. Oh, I was like, damn, already. Shallow. Shallow. There's gotta be a little pocket in here somewhere. So I'm gonna keep on keeping in. Keep going, keep going on. Dude, this is gonna suck wieners. Keep on keeping on. Keeping on, keeping on. Looking for some dinosaurs. Some sore dinos. This guy's probably like, oh, I need to save this dude down there in the creek. He's stupid. He just saw me fall. He's like, ha, stupid. To have it. Some shitty shit. Cactuses and stuff. This is the next spot to fall. Dude, this is not looking promising at all. Look at all this garbage. Imagine getting smashed by that. That would suck. Wow. Lots of garbage. Well, this looks very shitty. But we shall try. Yeah, this definitely fell in a lot. Not deep at all. Is that a snag already? I might just walk down so I don't die. Okay. Oh guys, this is Sketchy McSketch balls. This is not what it used to be. More like a death trap now. Ooh, that looks like a dead hawk with a band. Huh. Call. Oh, you found Mr. Hawkbud. R.I.P. bro. Oh, I don't know where to stick it. I don't have anywhere at the moment, but I'll put it right here. We'll be back for you. That sucks. Is that another one? There's like hawk killers down here. It's kind of cool. See all this hard shit? It's like little weird rocks. Oh, where's his head? Is that a hawk or an owl? It looks almost like an owl. What happened? Had to be another bird. Oh, that's sad. Might be a lost cause down here, boys and girls. This is sketch. Okay, like that is sketchy. That falls. Definitely dead. Definitely dead. Definitely dead. Definitely dead. Definitely dead. Most definitely dead. This. Is that actually deep? Yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna be down here. Spot has turned to trash. I think we might roll out. Yeah, it's gonna be a workout. I think I found what ate the hawk. You see that in the tree over there? That's an eagle's nest. Very large eagle's nest. You ever seen one up close? They're massive. Oh, I got a bite. Got a little niblet. I felt that. Oh, we're gonna catch something, thank the Lord. Maybe. Fun fact, my parents' old neighbors used to have camels and a hawk and an owl and two sparrows, and one was in Pirates of the Caribbean, and a donkey. Pretty cool, ain't it? Another little fish messing with my shit. Come on and take it. I'm gonna let him take it longer. I'm gonna take a guess it's a baby catfish. Oh. We rolling? Look at that beast. Look at that beast channel. That is gotta be one of the smallest channel catfishes. No, you're cute. Look at all your little spots. We got one fish. Yeah, we're definitely moving. Sorry. New PB. Bye. Just gotta get my bearings straight. We'll walk back through all that shit. Should have brought one pole and not a giant ass backpack. Ow. Come back, geese. I have to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Ow. Ow. I'm a dumbass. Oh. Okay. Oh, someone's footprint. We're not alone. Someone's been here. Probably a hobo, and he's gonna kill me and eat me. I should have brought water. How dumb. Well, someone came down with their dog. Okay, I'll set my stuff down. Okay, I'm just hoping I don't sinky in this. This looks solid. We're good. Cool if there was something big in here. I have some pokey shit in my shoe right now. Okay, time to throw a night crawler on. Shit, maybe I could get, maybe it's deep over there. It looks like it could be. So, we're gonna try our hand at it. Hopefully this turns into something cool. What's with these crappy little night crawlers, bro? Want a refund. Oh, we had 2 worms mating. Sorry, bro. Aluminum thing. Traffic cone. Frog. Bottles on bottles. Kind of disgusting that we can pollute this much. Come on, people. Pick your shit up. Maybe I can try right behind this object here. Got whatever it is. Not big, but little fishy. Oops, sorry, bud. Little channel. Stop shaking. Hi. You're bigger. Show me mommy daddy. Nope. You're fine. I'm not hurting you. Oh, man. There you go. Little guy. Back to where you came. That was cool. They're getting bigger. I guess I kind of know what I'm doing. Shit. Not really, but you know, make it look like it. Little kitty's playing with her again. Just take it, bud. Holy shit, what is that? What? Is that a grass carp? What in the name? Bruh. We're going, right? I do not know what that is, but it is massive. Is that a grass carp? Holy shit. Or an Asian carp? At least let me see you. Thing is massive. If that's a cat, that is, no, that's a carp. I don't know what kind of carp. Don't. Let's get you over here. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. No, not in there. There we go, yes. Is that a giant grass carp? If that is a grass carp, or a common carp, is massive. That is a, is that a common? I'm just trying to take it easy. That's a big ass grass carp. Oh, damn. Oh shit. Okay, he's not done yet. I think that's a grass. His eyes look like grass carp. Yeah. Something decent. These bastards get big. Just want to get him tired because this is not going to be easy, just saying. Surprised I caught it on this. Holy moly. Just don't want him to get over there. Nah, bruh. Can I pull him up? Can I pull him in here? I pull him in here? So pretty. Ow. Of course, there he goes again. Dude, that's definitely a PB grass carp right there. No. Ow, yeah, frick. Okay, I'm gonna reel him in more. He should be pretty tired by now. Right? No, we got you. You're done. You're done. Stop it. Damn! Look at that! Get him back as fast as we can. Dude, that's Gotta be like 15 pounds, maybe. We'll get you back in. Hold on. Stop hurting yourself. Did you come off? No. I don't know. 14.94. And I think he came off on his own. Look what you did to the hook. Thing is beast. Okay, let's release you, bud. Wow. Come here. Just don't take these with you. There you go. Flip. Let's get you some water. Get you some water. Come on. You're good. You're good. Come here. You're bleeding a little, but you're good. You good? Dude. Wow. Look at what it does to the water. Yeah, I didn't get a picture with it. Damn it. Oh well. It was like bouncing from 15 to 14.94. Wow. She was hiding in there. Amazing. It's like, what? Well, I feel like I could go home, but I want to catch a big catfish, so. Kind of regret not taking a picture with that grass carp, but it happens. I felt bad. It was bleeding and it was kind of making some weird noise. Never heard a fish make, so yeah. But I weighed it, so that's what counts. Hopefully you guys can see it in the video. I tried, but it was kind of an awkward angle. The thing was so long. Okay, ladies and gents, we are going to pack up so I can get up before the sun goes down and I don't have to climb up this crap. So, look at the sunset though. Nebraska. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. The grass carp was unexpected for sure, but that's my biggest grass carp. That was awesome. Didn't really catch much else, but it was cool. At least I got a game plan for next time. Probably gonna come right here and not waste my time walking down a cliff that's got nothing now. So, gonna pack up, start working my way back up, wade through swamps, and yeah.